All right, guys, you're right. I am AI. And do you know how long it would take to film this for real? Lights, camera, messing up lines. Again and again. With AI, 2 minutes. Today, I'm showing you exactly how videos like this are made for my channel and the 4 tools I use to create them. Let's go. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Not for ideas, for viral hooks. Here's the prompt that makes my videos 10 times better. Take a screenshot and try it out. The results will surprise you. Next up, ElevenLabs. This is how I create the audio track. Paste in the text, pick a voice, or clone your own. Wait 20 seconds, and boom, the perfect voiceover is done. Now the tool you came here for, Dreamina, my absolute favorite. Why? 120 credits per day for free. Amazing lip sync, controllable expressions, adjustable camera and posture. And here's how it works. Upload a photo, drop in the audio from ElevenLabs, describe the behavior, hit generate. 3 minutes later, bam, the results are insanely good. And for everyone who doesn't want to show their real face, Midjourney. Upload a selfie and turn it into anime, realistic, film look, or cyberpunk. I also use Midjourney for thumbnails, storyboards, and B-roll. A full tutorial is on my channel. Last step, CapCut. This is where I put everything together. Avatar video, music, effects, text overlays, jump cuts, export, upload, done. And that's it. That's how I create all my videos for UXVerse. Videos about AI tools, UX trends, app development. But here's the most important part. Behind this avatar is a real human. I test new tools every single day. I write every word myself. I create every tutorial with love. The avatar is just the interface. If you enjoy my work, leave a like. Subscribe to UXVerse for the best AI tools. And drop a comment telling me which tool I should cover next.